Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving right into how to use Zoho Project for operational efficiency. This is your full guide for 2025. First up, you'll want to set up your project in Zoho. Now this step is crucial because it'll serve as the foundation for everything else that you do. To do this, click on the New Project button, fill in the necessary details like project name, description, and start and end dates. Remember, a well-defined project is the first step towards operational efficiency. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add your team members. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone involved in the project has access to essential information and can collaborate seamlessly. You can add members by clicking on the Users tab and then Add Users. Next up, let's dive into task creation and assignment. This helps us because it breaks down your project into manageable tasks. Click on the Tasks tab, then Add Task. Fill in the task details and assign it to a team member. Now let's talk about tracking progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project has a built-in time tracking tool that helps monitor how much time is spent on each task. To use this, click on the Timesheets tab and start logging the time spent on each task. This allows you to identify bottlenecks and improve productivity. Lastly, we'll want to utilize the Reports feature. This feature provides a comprehensive overview of your project, including completed tasks, pending tasks, time spent, and so on. To access this, click on the Reports tab. Let me explain why this matters. It helps you make data-driven decisions and keeps you informed about the status of the project at all times. So that's it. With these steps, you can effectively use Zoho Project for operational efficiency. Remember, the key is to leverage all the features that Zoho Project offers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.